Hi everyone, it's Anand. Welcome back. How do you find out all the patches installed on your system or on a remote system? So what we can do is use get-cim instance and class name win32 underscore quick fix engineering. So if I run this command, it will give me all the patches installed on my system. Here it is. What I can do if I have to get the patches installed on a remote system, I can use Dcom protocol. So in this line, I'm using Dcom variable to create a to use a protocol Dcom. In that case, the remote computer need not to have PowerShell installed, and then I'm passing the credential on variable cred, and I'm creating a session on the remote computer with Dcom protocol and passing the credential. On line 4, we use Get-CimInstance for that session to get the patches. Let's run this code. Let's pass the credentials, and we have output here.